Hi guys! So if you're new to my channel, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are notified of any of my future videos.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नखरे वाली। एंड जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो के टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ मेकअप लुक इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट सेंसेशन प्रिया प्रकाश Warrior. Yeah, so she is basically a Malayalam actress whose film is going to release, and she has become an overnight sensation for her cuteness, and she is being referred to as nation's crush. And her look was very good, you know, very good for school going girls and for college going girls. Very subtle makeup with a very cute face. So I was very inspired to do her makeup look, so that's why I have tried this look. And if you're interested in knowing that how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
So first I'm going to take that Color Buff Perfect Match Primer and I'm going to take a small quantity on my hand and I would be gently patting it all over my face. Now if you notice her pictures on internet, then you can see some acne marks or pimple marks on her face. So that means that we are also not going to go for a very heavy foundation or full coverage look. So for that I'm going to take this Lakme Enrich Perfect Match Primer. This gives a very glowy finish, so that's why I am going with this, and I'm going to blend it everywhere till my neck with the help of a kabuki brush. Yeah, so this looks good. Now next I'm going to take some blush. This is the Maybelline's blush that I broke in the morning and I'm very heartbroken. But yeah, no problem. What can we do about this? Yeah, I'm going to apply it over my face. Now her look was such that she was not having a contour face, but I have a very round face, so I do need a very subtle contouring to get that chiseled face, and that's what I'm going to do here. Next I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Then I would be just applying some color onto my crease to get that depth in my eyes. Then taking this Plum Nature Studio Kajal, I'm going to go for that cold eyes that she has in the picture and in the video. And yeah, this is how I look, and we will also have a small wing just as she had in her videos. Now with the help of a pencil brush, I'm going to smudge my lower line because that's what she had. Now taking a nude lipstick, I'm going to apply it on my lips. So this is how I look. This was something where I have not applied any highlighter because she also didn't had any. And yeah, this is how I look. But let's not forget that we also need to make the hairstyle that she has in the video. And we are just going to do that now. So taking all of my hair onto one side, taking a little strand on my another side, I'm going to comb my hair. But before that I would be taking some fringes out because she also had that. And yeah, properly combing my hair, and then I would be doing a very loose braid just as she had. Yeah, exactly like this. Now I'm combing my hair, back combing them.
Like my video, and if you want to see many more makeup tutorials like this, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're already not subscribed to me, and the bell notification button so that every time I post a video you are notified. And yeah, till my next video, bye.